Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add comments in Google Docs. So this is really helpful if you're working on a document with someone else or you're a proofreader editor and you want to leave comments for a writer. So there's a few different ways you can do it. The first one is just by hovering over where you want to add the comment. This is a good way to do it if you want to write a comment for this whole paragraph. So I can hover, click on the plus icon, and the whole section is highlighted. Then I can write in my comment. And what you can do is tag someone by clicking at and then clicking on their name. Once you're happy, you can click comment or you can cancel if you want to delete it. Another way is if you want to just comment on one sentence, for example, you can highlight the sentence and again, you can click on the plus icon, add in your comment, and you can see the comment is just for that one sentence. So again, you would want to tag that person with the at so they will know there's a comment for them. Another way to do it is by highlighting, and then you can right click on the text and then you can click on comment and follow the same procedure. Or after you've highlighted the section that you want, you can also use the top toolbar. So there's another comment section at the top there, so I can highlight the text I want to comment on, click on comment, and the same thing happens. The box to comment in pops up. The other way to do it is by highlighting the text and clicking on insert, and at the bottom there is a comment tab as well. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.